Hi everyone, hope you're well, hope you're good, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing an unboxing and review of the LYTMEUP ring light that I got off Instagram for £39. Now ring lights are usually £100-150 off Amazon, so for £39 I thought it was a steal. I soon learned that you get what you paid for. So when I got the box, it measured about 30 centimeters long, which tells me that it's not a very big ring light, it's more of a desktop one, but anyway, let's get into it. The first thing I grabbed was this nifty selfie stick, which I was pleasantly surprised about because I wasn't expecting this. It has a screw on top, so I can actually use it for my camera if I wanted to, and it expands. It's quite long, which is really good. Next thing was the base. This was a stand for the ring light. It has a screw on top to secure the ring light, and it stands on 3 legs, which are pretty firm. The ring light box itself measures about 10 inches, which confirms that this is definitely a desktop ring light. Now it came with this pack, and at this point I had no idea what this thing was, but we'll soon figure out later. It just looked like this holder thing, a remote, and some instructions. Anyway, I'll come back to that later. Time to assemble this ring light. So you know, the plug-in actually comes with a USB rather than a plug, which I think is really good because it makes traveling with it much more easy and stress-free because you don't have to worry about getting a travel adapter. Using the controls, let's turn this on. This ring light comes with adjustable lighting, so you can turn it up as bright as you want or turn it a bit low. It also comes with 3 different shades of lighting. It starts off with a very cool one, and then there's a warm one, and there's a medium one as well, which is like a bridge between the cool and the warm. So going back to that pack that I had no clue about, I just had an eureka moment, and I figured out that this was a phone holder. I'm telling you, this made my day, because this means that if I get any last minute self-tape auditions on my phone that I need to record on my phone, I can do that easily using the stand. I'm just going to attach my phone to the stand now and then figure out how to use this remote. So I picked up the remote, switched it on the side, and it started flashing blue. What you need to do next is actually connect it to your phone via Bluetooth. So connect it to AB Shutter 3, that's the name of the remote. And now let's see how it works. So I think the remote is meant to start and stop your videos and take pictures without you actually touching your phone. So let's see if it works. So what I'm going to do next is actually show you how the different shades of light look against my skin. Before I do that, I'm going to show you how I set up my camera with the ring light. What I forgot to mention before is that you can actually attach the selfie stick to the base and then use it as a tripod like I've done here. Just a note, I'm filming in broad daylight and against the window as well. Medium light works against my skin well. What do you guys think? Now for my review. Honestly, for £39, I can't complain. Plus I've got all the extra gadgets as well that I wasn't expecting. I've got a selfie stick which doubles as a tripod if needed. I have a holder for my phone and it comes with a remote, and I have my ring light. It may not be as big as I had hoped for, but it does the job. So honestly, it's a good buy. I like it. So that's it from me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.